Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you everything from architecture to zoning. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're taking you through the exciting process of building construction. From breaking ground to handing over the keys. T's a journey of transformation, turning a piece of land into a functional structure. So, let's get started. Planning and design. Our first step begins with planning and design. This is where architects and engineers come into play. The step-by-step guide to the building construction process, creating detailed blueprints based on the client's needs and desires. They must take into account local zoning laws, land topology, and potential environmental impacts. Pre-construction. Once the blueprints are ready, we move on to pre-construction. This phase includes site survey and soil testing to ensure the ground can support the proposed structure. A thorough site analysis helps in identifying any potential challenges that might arise during construction. Securing permits. Next, it's time to secure the necessary permits from local authorities. Construction startups must obtain permits for specific projects, ensuring the planned work complies with local building codes and regulations. Without permits from local authorities, construction cannot legally begin. It's crucial to have all paperwork in order to avoid any future complications. Site preparation. With the permits in hand, the site preparation begins. Trees, rocks, and any existing structures are cleared. The land is then leveled and the foundation outline is marked. Laying the foundation. Now, it's time to lay the foundation. Whether it's a slab, crawl space, or full basement, the foundation provides the necessary support for the structure above. It's crucial that the foundation is solid, as it sets the stage for the rest of the construction. Framing. Once the foundation is set, the framing begins. The skeleton of the building starts to take shape as the walls, floors, and roof structure are built. This is often one of the most exciting stages as the building begins to visibly rise from the ground. Roofing and exterior walls. With the framing complete, roofing and exterior walls are installed. These provide shelter and protection from the elements, making it possible for work to continue inside the building regardless of weather conditions. Installing utilities. Next, it's time to install utilities. Electricians run wiring for lights and outlets, while plumbers install pipes for water and sewage. This behind-the-scenes work is vital to the functionality of the finished building. Insulation and drywall. Next, insulation is installed in the walls and attic spaces to ensure energy efficiency. Then, drywall panels are hung and plastered. Creating the walls and ceilings of the interior. Interior finishing. We're now ready for interior finishing. This involves painting the walls, installing doors and trim, laying flooring, and setting tiles. This is where the building truly starts to feel like a home or a functional workspace. Exterior finishing. Meanwhile, the exterior finishing also takes place. It includes painting the outer walls, installing windows and doors, and any other exterior details. Landscaping is also a part of this phase, enhancing the aesthetics and functionality of the surrounding space. Installing fixtures and appliances. Back inside, it's time to install fixtures and appliances. This includes everything from light fixtures and bathroom fittings to kitchen appliances and HVAC systems. Final inspection and handover. The final step is the inspection by local authorities to ensure everything is up to code. Once the building passes, it's time to hand over the keys to the new owners. It's the end of one journey, and the beginning of another. Conclusion. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to the building construction process. It's a long journey, filled with numerous steps, but the result is always worth it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.